In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with GitHub in just 5 minutes. If you're involved in software development, you probably know how essential it is to streamline processes and manage your workflow efficiently. Integrating Jira with GitHub is a great way to keep everything synchronized, allowing developers to link their coding work with project management tasks seamlessly. To start, you'll want to navigate to Jira and head over to the Your Work section. This is the main workspace within Jira where you can view and manage all your current tasks and projects. Once you have that open, take a moment to get familiar with your dashboard if it's your first time here. It's always a good idea to know your surroundings in your digital workspace, as it makes navigation much smoother. Now that we're in the Your Work area, you need to select the specific project you'd like to integrate with GitHub. From the list of projects, click on the one you're currently working on or managing. Selecting the right project ensures that the work from this project is the one reflected in your GitHub repository. Having everything linked to the appropriate project will save you a lot of hassle down the line. With your project selected, it's time to access the project settings. In the Jira interface, you'll typically find the project settings option on the left-hand sidebar, though its exact location might vary slightly depending on any personalized configurations you have in place. Clicking this will give you access to various settings, essential for managing integrations among other things related to your project. In the project settings menu, look for an option called Toolchain. The toolchain is essentially a collection of tools and integrations available for your project. It is through this section that you'll be able to connect different third-party tools and services to your Jira project, thereby enhancing its capabilities and reach. Within the toolchain selection, find GitHub for Jira. It's an integration specifically designed to bridge the functionality of both platforms. By using this integration, you can automatically sync issues and comments between Jira and GitHub, track development progress on the code level, and much more. Click on GitHub for Jira to begin the integration process. Once you've clicked on GitHub for Jira, you should see a button labeled Get It Now. This process involves adding the integration app to your Jira account. After hitting the button, you might need to wait momentarily as Jira prepares the integration for setup. This process installs the necessary elements to allow communication between Jira and GitHub, ensuring the two platforms can effectively share data. You'll again see the Get It Now option appear. It's common to have to confirm actions like this to ensure you're fully aware of what services you're agreeing to integrate with your accounts. Make sure you give the terms a quick read before proceeding. It's always wise to understand the nature of the integration you're enabling. After confirming your selections, Jira will guide you through any remaining steps needed to finalize the integration. This mainly involves authentication steps between the two platforms. You may need to enter your credentials for GitHub or provide authorization for Jira to access your GitHub repositories. Carefully follow these prompts, as gaining the correct permissions is crucial for the integration to function properly. And that's it, your Jira and GitHub integration is now complete. By following these steps, you have created a link between two powerful tools that will help manage your software development process more effectively. From here, you're in a much better position to manage code alongside project tickets, improve team collaboration, and ultimately deliver software more efficiently. Keep in mind that after setting up the integration, you should verify that the sync is working by testing it with a task or commit. It's important to ensure that everything configured correctly, so your team doesn't run into hiccups later on. As always, if any issues arise, consulting Jira and GitHub's help resources or community forums can provide additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in setting up your Jira GitHub integration. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.